Yes, I am here at the Walmart, and this is Labor Day. The Walmart that's on Sparkman Drive, Huntsville, and I am getting ready to go in there, and I need to get me an expansion for my computer, and they're just a standalone hard drive, so I won't have to use up all of my space on my main C hard drive on my main computer. So and also I would be probably picking up a few little pumpkins depending on what they have inside a Walmart. So but I will see. I'm just gonna go in there and just take a look, and also maybe a few towels. Not for sure exactly what color they have, but hopefully they have my colors. Okay, well, I'll see you in Walmart. And once again, this is Labor Day, so guys, I am enjoying shopping out here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Go below my video, click on the subscribe button, and you only got to subscribe just once. I am trying to reach a goal of 150 by September the 12th. I am new. This is my second week doing this, and I need you guys' support. So let's go inside of Walmart, okay? See you in the store. I was looking for maybe a gold. Let me try this one here. I think that one is nice. And maybe it's probably all that I would need. Or maybe this one. Changed my mind. I think I'll try this one here. It look like they got some large ones for $5.98. Maybe I'll try this one. What you think, guys? Do you think I should get this one? I'll try this one. And this is cute, guys. I think that's a $4.98. That's cute. And this wreath is like $19.97. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I thought this was a placemat. But hey, that's a bag, but it's gorgeous. Okay, let's go to the bath accessory. Yes, they got some nice stuff in here as well. Kind of like this one here. Okay. Okay, guys, I need to pick up me some hand towels. And I think I'm going to get this white one here. Got some nice towels here. And need me a lilac. Perfect. Okay, found that. Okay, guys, I made it back here to the rods. Let me see if I can find one that I like. Okay. this is what we have. Wasn't quite what I'm looking for, but I want to try Walmart before I went to the bigger box stores. Okay, let's see, what is this? Oh, that's a grab bar. I think this here will work. What you think, guys? I think I would get, or maybe the double. Let me see here. Maybe the double towel bar. Which one do you think I should get? The double towel bar or just the... I'm not for sure. But anyway, comment below. Let me know which one should I get. Okay. I forgot to mention that I do need a standalone hard drive, and I'm here at Walmart, and we are going to pick up one, a 6 terabytes, and we going for this one, and that's $105 for the 6. Okay, we got that. Let's move along. And for you guys that don't, and for you all that don't know what this is just for me to put some of my videos on an external hard drive, so it won't be so much pressure on my main computer. So it won't eat up all my space on my main computer. And this is just something that you can purchase for an external. If you got a lot of pictures, videos, this would be something good that you can purchase, and that way it won't eat up all of your C drive on your computer. And they got a 4 terabyte for $89, and this is at Walmart on Walmart on Sparkman Drive. Okay guys, thank you for shopping with me at Walmart Sparkman Drive on Labor Day. I was able to find some of the things that I was looking for, and thank to all of those that was able to subscribe to my channel to help me reach my goal of 100 for September the 5th. Thank you guys so much, and the ones that has not subscribed, please do so at this time by clicking on that subscribe button. And at this time, I'm going to sign off, getting ready to get out of here. My husband has barbecued for me, and I'm heading to the house so I can sit down, relax, and eat some barbecue. So until the next time, so long, bye-bye. I will see you in the future. The future looks good on you.